Taking out your phone is step number 1. Watch some videos as the second step. Collecting your earnings is step 3. You're going to learn how to make unlimited passive income online with no skills or prior experience in today's video. We all watch YouTube videos every day, let's face it. This way, you can get paid for doing something you already do on a daily basis. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can learn how to make money online, the simplest way. Before we start, keep the notification bell clicked. Every time we upload a new video on making money online, you will be updated and can start making things happen. You can also rate this video with a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so the website that will pay us today is called ggtou.org. And just before I go ahead and explain everything, I need to remind you guys to be patient and keep watching, because if you click off this video right away and just go to the website, you won't be able to use it effectively. And to its full potential, you'll be able to make a few dollars here and there. But you will be missing out on a lot more than that, effectively leaving money on the table. And that's what I want to prevent. So once again, please keep watching and pay close attention. As you may notice, this site has many different ways to earn money and earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So watching videos is not the only way to make money here per se. However, from my experience, it is by far the best one because it simply requires the least amount of work. You just open up a video, leave it running while you're off doing something else, and you will still get paid nonetheless. Meanwhile, surveys, games, and other tasks like that all require your full attention to collect your earnings, which is precisely why I don't prefer them. But you can of course get paid in that way too, if you have a bit more time on your hands. Now, as far as payments are concerned, you can get paid via PayPal and various gift cards. So if you happen to be passionate about those things, and I know many of you are, it is an available payment method. If you happen to not like cryptocurrency in general, PayPal and gift cards are available as well. As far as the website itself is concerned, I chose it, amongst other things, that it gives most of the money to its members. In other news, the money they receive from advertisers is given to the people who watch these ads between 65 and 85%. As you can see right here, that is unheard of. As far as websites like this are concerned, they generally give at best 50% to their members. And in most cases, it's way lower than that. So this site pays more than other similar websites. Furthermore, as you've most likely seen by now, you get paid $1 for just signing up, which takes 30 seconds to do so. With all that said, now let's move on to what you have to do when you first come on here. And as many of you can already guess, it's signing up. Just enter in your first name, email address, username, password, your country, check this box and click on sign up. And that's it. I'll go ahead and log into my account, so we can show you how you'll be able to make money with this website. Okay, so here's how the site looks. Once you log in, as you can see, I have indeed received a $1 bonus for signing up. And as you can see, it says I need to reach $7. The reason being is that $7 is the minimum amount of money required for you to be able to withdraw it, and let's face it, that isn't a lot in any way, shape, or form. You should easily be able to reach such an amount. Speaking of getting paid, something I'd like to mention is that in case you should choose to get paid in cryptocurrency, you will have to pay a 3% fee, which isn't too big of an issue. But if you don't want to pay, PayPal might be a better option for you, because you don't have to bother paying any fee, and you'll receive 100% of your profit. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Anyways, with that out of the way, back on this page, you will be able to see all the offers, which you can complete. These with a white background will redirect you to a different website, but you will nonetheless get paid on this site. For now though, as I said, videos will be our main focus, as they are arguably the best way to do this. Clicking on them will bring you straight over here. And something that you'll see on here that I have to explain is the points system on this site. As you can see, for every 200 points you earn, you will receive a silver token, that said token being worth between $1 and $3. Something very important here is that you will need a Hideout account as well for this to work, because as it says here, if you don't already have a Hideout account now required, click here to join Hideout. When you're watching Hideout videos, the Hideout points you receive can be converted into GG to your video points using their site's redeem balance button. It's also okay to watch the videos directly from the Hideout website. So you do not need an account on this site too, and that won't take too much of your time. Just click right here and then type in your basic information and create an account and you're good to go. Just like it said over in the previous site, you can also watch the videos from here as well. That's completely fine. Now the second thing that's important for me to mention is that if you have an ad blocker running as I have right now, no videos will be available. So make sure you turn off your ad blocker first to get started. As I said before, the great thing about this is that you don't have to watch the videos. Furthermore, I found out that you can open multiples of them at once and turn off the sound. And they will generate you money as if you were watching all of them. Watching them on your phone is also an excellent idea as well, especially if you're waiting somewhere and don't have anything to do. Anyway, believe it or not, this is not the only site I'm showing you today. For those of you who have stayed up until this point, I have a bonus website that I will show you and will make you money in much the same way. This site is called ZurichLami.com. And as you can see right here, it is available for both iOS and Android. So if you want to do this on your phone, that is most definitely possible, just like with the previous website. Now your first step when you come on here is to just click on register in the upper right corner. Once again, I'll do just that now and show you what you will come across when you do. So this is how your dashboard looks when you register on this site. Getting started with making money here is very easy. Click on Earn right here, which will now show you all the different methods in which you can make money online. You first and foremost have to engage on social media, which is a new one that I think most sites like this don't have. You can of course play games, complete surveys, browse websites, videos, and ads. This one, in my opinion, is the best one by far. And I will show you why in just a second. The last options include getting paid by writing comments, creating accounts, and online shopping. This site, you guys, as you've just witnessed, is unique as far as making money is concerned. It has some options here that I don't see often. Now let me demonstrate just how easy this is. When you click on Earn here, it will redirect you all to this page. All you have to do from here is click on Burn again, which will then open up a new window. And as you can see, I just have to leave it open like so. And this timer will continue ticking, which means I don't have to browse the site in question. I just leave it open. And that's it. Now of course, while this is my preferred method of making money with this site, I encourage you all to try other options they have on here. Certainly, it is nothing to be ashamed of thing at all. Then we're done. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos are posted channel, and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.